Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by logging into the OLX account that currently shows your mobile number because changes require account access. Once done, go to Profile, then Settings, and open Contact Details. This reveals the phone entries you can edit. Make sure you have a backup contact, either a secondary verified email or a new mobile, to replace the number if OLX demands one for verification. This step prevents lockout and explains why immediate replacement is safer than deletion alone. Now you edit the phone entry directly. Click Edit beside the number and choose Remove or Replace if you prefer a new contact. If OLX prompts for verification, it will send an SMS code. Enter that code promptly, since codes usually expire in a few minutes. If removal is blocked because a verified number is required, replace it first, then remove the old one. After saving, refresh the profile page and confirm the number no longer appears. This double check prevents partial updates. Finish by checking your active listings and inbox. Make sure the removed number is gone from public views and message threads because some caches keep old details temporarily. If removal fails, clear your browser cache, try the desktop site, or use OLX help/support chat, sometimes server-side caches or incomplete verification block changes. If support asks, provide screenshots and the time of your attempt. This evidence speeds resolution and explains why persistence and documentation matter when platform verification prevents immediate deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.